Okay, in this video we're going to look at an activity. It's 5.3.7.2. It's calling it configuring a Cisco router as a DHCP server. The objective of this video is to configure the customer Cisco 1841 ISR as a DHCP server. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do, we're going to start off with look at the activity and follow the steps. Step 1, we're going to configure the DHCP server, and here are the steps here, and we'll just get started. Go to the PC, and we want to connect from the customer workstation PC to the 1841 customer router. We go to connections, and we want a console connection. Click on that, click here, click on the RS-232, bring it over to here, and click console. Okay, so far so good. Then we're going to look more into depth and go into the PC. Click on the PC and get ourselves all situated here. Go to desktop, go to terminal, and then go to OK. And let's see if we can see this better. And then press enter to get started with a new one. First thing we're going to do is we're going to enter a password. Password is Cisco. Enter. We're going to enable the customer router. Ask us for a password to enable that. And then we're going to conf t it. Okay. Let's look at where we are right now. Okay. We are on step C of step 1. Now we're going to enter all this in right here. Okay. IP DHCP. Just make sure you have everything right. Looks good. Okay. Press enter. Now we want to enter the config router. Over here we're just going to follow the steps. Okay. IP DHCP pool, and then the name pool 1. Looks familiar, similar. Okay. Now we're going to find out what else it's asking. Next thing we're going to do is the network. Right here. Type that in. Network 192.168.0.0 space 0. Enter. Okay, next step. I define the DNS server as a 192. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, so we're gonna put in the DNS server here. Okay, DNS server. center, and then default router. Put the default router in and the IP address. Okay. Default, no space, router, space. So all we're doing, we're just going through the steps. Okay. And then we will just end this here. And to save your work, you can go copy, run, start. That's how you save all your work you just did. Okay. Pause the video, I'm going to go to the next step. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do, alright, let's see. We're going to go down here, step 2, and verify the DHCP configuration. And this time, instead of being in a terminal, we're going to actually be in the command prompt. So we're going to go back. Back, command prompt, and it's asking us to type in the ipconfig /release. Release, and we're just going to release the current IP address by doing this, so do that. Oh, invalid. Alright, let's double check our work. IP config /release. Let's double check and make sure we did everything right.
Okay, and you can see right here the IP address, the subnet.
Okay. So I figured out what was going on. Alright, IP config. I'm going to use space /release. Okay, that looks a lot better. This is just going to show the IP addresses, subnet mask, default gateway, DNS server. They're going to be all zeros on this page. And then the next thing we're going to do to request a new IP address on the local network. So to do that, we're going to do IP config space /renew, and then press enter. Okay, and it gave us an IP address right there, 192.168.1.50. And what we're going to do to just double check our work, we're just going to ping that IP address right there. Because earlier what we did a block of the 192.168.1.249. We're just going to do the 50 now. Okay, trying to ping that. Looks like everything worked, and then we just double check our results real quick. Alright, looks good. Activity's all done. Thanks for watching this video.